Good morning everyone. Today I will show how to export your sales data from Genius POS and then import into your SQL accounting software. So before I start, please make sure you know how to backup your SQL accounting database and also learn how to restore your backup database just in case any mistakes happen. Okay, so I will not support you on the SQL accounting software. So please, if you need any help, kindly consult your SQL accounting support. Okay, so the steps is very simple. It's actually you export the XML from cloud geniuspos.com.my. You log into the cloud and then you go to the SQL accounting. Then from there you can generate your files, and then afterwards the second step will be you need to have another software which is integrated to your SQL accounting. Its name is SQL XML import tools. To import the files you just exported into the SQL accounting. So the third step will be after you import, and then you make sure your data is correct. If there's anything wrong, then you may need to resolve the error, or maybe you need to import again. You need to restore your database and then you import again. Okay, so let's start with the first one, how to export. Okay, you go to the SQL account, you go to the Genius POS cloud. After you log in, it's in the dashboard, right? So from there you go to this on the right side, you go to SQL accounting. Then okay, from here this is the mapping in SQL accounting. So you need to check what you put in, what is the customer code, and then what is the sales, what is the code for it. I can give you some example. Like for the customer code is you need to go to the customer, maintain customer. Then from there you can check, let's say I create one is Genius POS, and then the code is this one. And for the other mapping, like for example the sales, the tax, the payment. Okay, this I'm not the expert to guide you on which one you should use. If you have any doubts, you should consult your SQL support for the which code you should be using. So I just randomly pick one for the cash, for the other payment. Okay, for the e-wallet, then I just key in the code to the account mapping. Okay, so these are all the information you get from your SQL accounting. Okay, so you know when the data is import, it will import to this location based on the code from your GL account. This is your GL account. Okay, so anything you may you have any doubts which one you should put in, kindly consult your SQL accounting support. You can show him the data also which is available from the Genius POS. There are only a few data available. So these are the available. So which one should choose? Okay, so next step will be after you key in all this only need to key in for one time. So after you save the settings, then you proceed to generate report. Okay, from here there are nothing else for you to choose. This is for the account and for the sales. Okay, so you only choose the date, which date you want to put in. Let's say we choose for the month of July, for the June, and then June 1 until June 2 or June 3. Okay, so we generate. Okay, so click here, download. We have downloaded. It is output zip file number 7. So next step, you need to have these two, SQL XML import. You can use this word SQL XML import. You can find from the web SQL XML import. Okay, you can search by SQL XML import, and then the first one, this is the one you want. Okay, so after you want to download it, you scroll down until you see this one, SQL import version 5. Then you click, then it will come to this. From here you click on this one, SQL account. This you will be downloading and the program. So after you download it, you install this program, then it will auto integrate into your SQL account. So where can I find in this SQL account to open that program just now? You go to the files, you go to the run, and then this is the one. Okay, so you will open up this file. And just for your information, if you need to know more things about the import programs, you can see their videos, their tutorial videos from their website. This is the website, wiki.sql.com.my. You can find there, and then you can find their tutorial video about how to use this, any more features about this SQL import program. Okay, so we're back to this one. Just now when I open the run and then I go to this, after I open this one, I get another program. So this is the one. Okay, so from here you also can see that please back up before run this application. So please make sure you back up, and in any case anything wrong you can restore back. Okay, so here you go to the tools, you go to fast XML export, then you go in here, then you open up this, then you choose output zip number 7, open. Okay, after you open, you will see on the left there are customer payment and also the cash sales. You click on it. Okay, then you click next step is verify. Verify done. So you see this status is okay, means it's okay to import, there are no problem. So click on import. Okay, successful import. Okay, so one of the files there are problems for the sales, and the others are okay.